I've recently built a closet in our studio to hide the water heater. And I think it would be a really cool idea to put a painting on this door. So this isn't a huge closet door, which is why I think my wife will probably be okay with me painting it. But before I do start putting anything on it, I'm gonna okay it with her first and do some sketches. Before you start anything, ask your wife. Remember, safety is our #1 priority.
So these are our 4 options. We have a blue option, we have an orange option, we have almost like a black and white, not really that much color, but very subtle hints, and then a very, very lots of colors, like very mesmerizing to look at. I don't like colors. Okay. I do like the top 2. Okay, so how about I surprise you with something from the top 2? Okay, yeah, we can do that. Okay.
So my wife wants a combination of the top 2, and she doesn't want a lot of colors, so I'm gonna have to work really hard to try to pull this together. For most of the colors that I'm using today, I'm going to be fading, and so to do this, I start off with my first base color, which is a yellow, and then I'll use the darker variant, which is an orange in this case, and I'll slowly start to work that into the paint and blend that in. Not supposed to be using a lot of color, so hopefully I'm not pushing the limits here. To fade all this green to blue, I'm going to be using a lighter blue, and you'll see me use this dabbing technique all along, and this really helps fade that blue to green. Because I'm combining the 2 drawings that I did, I'm going to be drawing a pair of eyes in the clouds as well as on the sun, and I'm going to make them look like they were almost looking at each other. So this was a fun little project to do over COVID because can't really go outside, there's nothing to do. So this was something fun that I could paint inside the house that I'm gonna see forever, that my wife will never make me paint over in white. So yeah, no, it's cool. I love this cool effect of the turquoise with the blue. It really makes the bubbles or clouds look like they're popping out. I love the texture against the sun here. We got some like almost like tribal like designing along the edges. Also too, I'd like to thank all my subscribers for subscribing, commenting on my videos. Thank you so much. It's a big help and it supports a lot. We'll see you in the next video next year!